Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys infinix my phone screen color problem guys, how can we solve? Friends, we want to solve guys your phone screen color problems and how can we solve today guys? I will show you, I will tell you guys. So as you can see guys, my screen is totally changed. So how can I solve guys this color inversion problem? So we call it guys phone color inversion problem. And friends, now let's see how can we solve guys this screen phone guys this ghost problem today friends. I will show you, I will tell you guys. So when first of all you will have to on guys your phone setting to solve guys this color inversion problem. After on phone setting guys you will have to find guys your phone color inversion setting. So where is color inversion? Friends, you can see special function. First of all tap here. Second guys click on guys your phone accessibility guys. We will tap on phone accessibility. Third guys you can find color inversion here where we will tap on color inversion. And right side of this icon guys you will have to tap here to solve guys your screen color problem. Friends, you can see screen color will normal and friends your problem has solved. Friends, you can use guys your YouTube and guys you can watch any video without any problem guys. So like that guys we can solve guys screen color problem. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video.